Hey guys, today we're going to be making a quick chili recipe, okay? So today I am recording from my phone, so it should be a little bit different, or the quality and the voiceover as well. So to get started, I added some oil into my pot. Then I am going to saute my vegetables really quickly. I am using celery with green bell pepper. Now I'm adding my onions as well. We're going to saute the veggies for about 2 minutes until they're nice and soft. Just to sweat them a little bit, okay? Don't overdo it. Once it is done, we're going to remove the veggies, place that on the side. Now you can skip the saute part, but I just like to do it on all of my chili recipe. To me, it's just something that I like to do. All right, now once I am done removing all my veggies, I am going to start with the ground beef. Now I'm using lean ground beef, it was a very bad idea to use the lean beef. Not good at all. That's my first time using it, and I did not like the outcome of it. But if you like lean beef, go for it. But today, I'm using lean beef, okay? So, once my beef turned gray, okay, it's no longer bloody, we're going to add our seasoning. Now, before I added the seasoning, I pour out any juice from the beef, okay? Throw away the excess water. Now I'm adding garlic, pepper, a little bit of cumin with oregano, with a bit of thyme, a little bit of thyme, okay? And as well as Sazon Goya seasoning. Just add the whole pack in there. And also, I'll be using 1 pack of chili, okay? Chili flavor seasoning. That way, our chili can taste really, really good, okay? Now, this recipe is quick, like I said. Just 1 pot meal, just stir up everything, and boom, your chili is done, okay? So once I am done stirring everything up, I am using Bush's chili beans. Now you can use kidney beans. It doesn't have to be that brand. As long as it's kidney beans, go for it. But I'm using 1 can of the Bush's chili beans with chopped tomatoes. You gotta have that. You can add tomato paste if you want. I do not like tomato paste, so we're not going to add any. Now I'm adding my sauteed veggie in there with what else? I'll stir that up together, I guess. And then we'll be adding some chicken broth. Now you can use water. I wanted to take the flavor, a little extra. So I use beef broth, not chicken, beef broth to make this chili extremely delicious, okay? Now, there you go with the beef broth. Just pour that in there. Give it a stir. Now you can add salt. I don't like adding salt right away. I like to add it after, but I am going to cover it for 1 to 2 hours. Don't touch it, just let it cook. And boom, this is your chili. Absolutely so comforting, especially it was cold in Florida for the last 2 days. So, I enjoy this chili with some cheese. Thank you for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye. Yum.